Hey guys, it's Toast again from the Susquehanna YouTube channel. It's the afternoon of Friday the 27th of July. I'm in the same place I was a couple of days back as the river and creek here in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania was on the rise. Again, I'm right here at Boone's Dam, right here next to the Bloomsburg Fairgrounds on Fishing Creek. Just about, 3/4 of a mile or so upstream of the north branch of the Susquehanna River. They just reopened the street up here within the last, 24 hours or so. Where I'm standing right now was underwater. The river itself has already come down about 6 feet. Right now we're about, 11 feet or so on the river, but this is again Fishing Creek. And you can see it's still cranking. This was right up, came up the bank here, and actually was covering the road up here behind me. You can see the brush here on the side. And it basically flushed everything downstream. There was a big tree on here just a couple of days ago. It's gone now. But you can see quite a bit of current ripping down into the river. The river's come down, like I said, just in the last 24 to 48 hours, 6 feet. But from here on out, the next several days, it's going to creep down pretty slowly. And I think we're still supposed to get some more rain. But that's what it looks like right now on Fishing Creek, right here at the dam by the Bloomsburg Fairgrounds.